Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning about Ableton instruments. We'll start with something simple, and then we'll have some fun with it. So to begin, bring your mouse up to the window on the top left. If you can't see a window open, you can left-click on the little arrow to hide or show the window. Now, I'm using Windows 10, so above I have Collections, and below that is a list of categories. At the moment, I have the Sounds category selected, which is a library of different pre-made sounds made using the inbuilt Ableton instruments. To load one of these, simply select what type of sound by clicking on the little arrow. I think I'm in the mood for some mallets. What about these airy bells? To load them, simply double-click or drag and drop to whatever MIDI track you'd like to use, or down to the bottom if you'd like to create a whole new track with these loaded. If we want to try them out, we can arm them by clicking the red record button on the MIDI track, and then play using our MIDI controller. Nice! If you don't have a MIDI controller, don't panic. You can turn your computer keyboard into a MIDI controller using this button in the top right. Now, if we want a bit more control, rather than just presets, we can go directly to the Instruments category in this left window from earlier. Here we have all of Ableton Live's inbuilt instruments. Each one is very unique and a lot of fun, and far too complicated to explain each of them in just this tutorial, but we can get an idea by clicking on the small arrow next to one and opening up the pre-made sounds list for each of the instruments. Remember our airy bells from before? Well, those were made on an instrument called Collision. You can also load in the instrument on its own, without a preset, by simply dragging the instrument itself directly onto a MIDI track. I hope this tutorial has helped you get an idea of how to get started using Ableton's instruments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more. Thanks.